in odoo 14 bootcamp series. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss about our sales tutorial next part, sales module. Tutorial next part is last in video tutorial we will discuss about sales order, and in this tutorial we'll discuss sales teams. If I go to sales team, here we already have three sales team, one in Europe, point of sale, and the last one is America. So how to create sales team? For this to create sales team, you have to go and sales configuration, and here the option sales team, just click. Already the three sales team which we had before, which we have, let's create new one. The name is testing sales team. I checked in also in quotation, and team leader. If you want to put here any team leader, it's this user. And for company, we had this 4 companies, one testing which we created before, and 3 is a demo companies. So now I'm logging in my company San Francisco, this one. So here, if you want to put some target for this sale team, let's say I'm putting here 1 million, and here you have to add the team members. Now currently we have these 3 team members. Select all and add. I added here these 3 team members for this test sales team. Now let's save. If I go back to sales team, it will appear here, and next one is customer. So I think it's better if we discuss about customer in another video, but I want to show you about this sales team. Here we can select the sales team which we created now in our sales order, even in quotation. If I discard this sales order, and if I go to in our quotation here, if I create a new quotation in other info, we have a option sales team, and I can select the sales team which we created now, and it will give us reports based on that data. So data related sales data related of this sales team, and here the target of 1 million, how much they achieve. So this is a sales team. It's a very useful and good feature of odoo 14. Next video tutorial will discuss about customer.